What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're getting my iPhone fixed and serviced. My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Meet people, live blues, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom. This is my trip
out. So I've got an iPhone 13 mini and I've dropped it a few times, and from doing tons of live streams and having it for a year or so, the battery health is like getting down to the low 70s. It's like 72%. And so I looked around in my neighborhood and there's actually an iPhone repair shop that's part Canadian, part Cambodian. It's only a block or two away, so we're gonna walk over there now through my neighborhood, show you what it looks like, and then when I've handed it in and done it, I'll come out and explain what the process was. You're probably wondering, hey, when I get there and I get a SIM card, what phone company should I go with? What phone plan provider? There's three main ones: Smart, Metphone, and Cell Card. Those are the main three. I'll go over what's good about each one. So the cell phone plan I use, it's called Smart, and it just happened to be when I first got here, I went to a cell phone store and I just asked for a SIM card, and that's what I got. It seems to be like their app is really modern, and there's little games inside, and you can always participate and you can win points to redeem later, and there's like a really good rewards plan. You're always earning points. It's also like one of the most popular ones, so it's kind of like it's everywhere. One of the other companies, Cell Card, they're known to have the highest speeds. They win awards every year for having the highest high-speed internet connections. And they also have some really good tourist plans. I've seen them advertising, like a 30-day cell phone plan just for tourists, where it's pretty much unlimited data. And so if you're just coming for a short time, Cell Card might be a good one to look into. And the third one, Metphone, they're most known for having the widest coverage. So if you're way out of the city, or you're near the mountains, or you're out in the provinces, Metphone has the best widespread coverage everywhere. So I'd recommend Smart or Cell Card. I'll drop a card right here. I made a video about a year and a half ago. You could go check that out. And it won't interrupt the video. You can click it there, it pops up from underneath. All right, we're getting really close now. It's just on the right here. iRepair Cambodia. So this is where I found online. Okay, now it's free. Let's get in there. Alright, so it was really easy actually. I just went in there and I had spoken to them online already, and so we had talked and worked out a deal that it's like $35 for the glass and $40 for the battery. They're giving me a deal where both combined is only $60. So we just kind of referenced that conversation, and I brought it up and showed him that's what we were talking about, and they're like, okay. And they kind of fill out a manual invoice of what they're going to do, and then you give them your details. And you have to give your PIN number to them, because when they're finished, they have to test your phone to see if they fixed it properly. So they can do the battery and the thing in 3 hours. So we're going to come back in 3 hours and pick it up, and then we'll zoom in on it. I'll see how does it look brand new or what. Alright, so it's been about 2 or 3 hours, so we're going to head back and pick up the phone from the shop. But first I wanted to show you, here in Cambodia, most drinks, and especially beers, every time you open one, you have to check under the lid and you could win a free drink. So I actually have on me a free beer tab and a free lemon tea drink. And we're going to exchange it right now, and I'll show you what it looks like here. So the way these work is you bring it to a local shop, like the one right over here behind me. You can't bring it to a convenience store or a real grocery store. It has to be one of the local shops here. And for each one that you hand in, you have to give 500 real, which is about 12 cents. So it's pretty much free. You just have to pay the deposit. I've got a beer one and a lemon tea one, so it's going to be like 500 real, 500 real. So I need 1,000 real. So I've got my 1,000 real, and so that's about 25 cents. So I can get a beer and a lemon tea drink for 25 cents. Let's go do it. So I got a can of beer and a 500 milliliter, plastic bottle of lemon tea. 25 cents. So remember, when you open a beer or you open a drink, look under the lid. And for the lemon tea, it was written in Khmer, and then underneath it, it says valid in Cambodia. So you know you won something, right, when you see that? So I took my Translate app, and it says 1 bottle of Oishi, like when you hold it over the Khmer writing. Okay, let's go pick up the phone. So here's an international school right here. Look, here's another school on the same street. Cambodia is always looking for teachers. You can follow in my footsteps. There's a special in-the-country TEFL course that I took. It's through AVSE, and it includes hands-on job support. So as you complete the course, they help find you your first job. It's government accredited. It only takes 4 weeks, and it's totally immersive. It takes place here in the country. I'd highly recommend it. They have many different side programs too. There's one just for jobs. If you're already a teacher, if you're already certified, they have other side programs. So check out below, and if you go for it, just mention that you heard of it from me. All right, so now we're back at iRepair, Cambodia. So we're gonna head in there and grab the phone, and then we'll take a look at the back and see how brand new it looks. Ooh. And they give you the old battery just so you can see they've changed it. iRepair Cambodia. I'd highly recommend it. It's right in the Russian market Tultompong area. Batteries only take about 1 hour to replace. The glass takes like 3 hours. Go pick it up and it's all set. They speak English. They have really great customer service. And yeah, I'll drop a link below to the location. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom, just not tripping out.
Accepting a delivery now. It's just my luck. When I want to walk in, then it's the one time in the day they're getting a delivery to block the door.